मोगाल गोंयकारांनो म्हजे इस्ती मसावचे भावानो भयणानो वेलकम बॅक टू आमचो ब्युटिफूल गोंय हरियालीचे गोंय आणि तुमकां हुंय घेवन येयला आतां येयला हांव शोले द लेजेंडरी ऑफ रोड तुमकां समज केन्ना लायफान समज ऑफ रोड ड्रायव्ह करूंक जाय आनी बरें 4-wheel ड्रायव्ह यू नीड टू कम टू द फ्युअलिंग स्लोप यार हेजी म्हणून तू 4 रोड्स फॉरेनर गेला ताका पडलो काय ना उरलो रे बाबा कंट्रोल करून तो उरलो हांव तुमकां कितें सांगूंक सोदता हे बाबा हांव तुमकां कितें सांगूंक सोदता वो रोड जाली 2 वर्सां वोहत आहा चिंतात कितले टॅलंट कितले पोटेन्शियल कितले कॅलिबर लागता वो रोड ओहो डिझायन करपाक 2 वर्सां ओहो ह्या गव्हर्मेंटान मेंटेन केला तुमकां हांव हेंची हिस्ट्री बाबा हांव तुमकां ही हिस्ट्री आनी म्हायती मागीर दिता कोहो हे भाशेन वो रोड क्रिएट करपाक कितले भाशेन इंटेलेक्चुअलिटी लागता how much intellectual power is required to build such a craft road and give look what an idea ministers you all have such a beautiful mind to low down the speed look at that speed wow they are slowing down look at suspension balancing look then this time morgar photo but look at it yeah wow you see that is called the talent now I'm going to tell you all for 2 years all the houses from here are suffering you can imagine in summer all the mud is going to them I'm just going to see somebody because I made a big noise right now I want to see somebody's come out so there are some people out there hello hi
Not very little problem, a big problem here. Too many people are trying to overtake that side. They fall also, they get injured. And when they get injured also, nobody is bothered about them. We are really suffering this road for last, I think, 2-3 years. There are people, they don't understand.
absolutely
What to do?
And the traffic over here is so much that it is connected to Rakol.
yeah Tirakol Ashwem Arambol Morjin
And all the tourists that come by that side to go to Kalangur, Kandoli are suffering. This is a very tedious job. The mud that is being dug to lay the pipeline of Tilari is a hazardous way they have done the work. And they have least bothered to finish the work before monsoon.
absolutely now for 2 years they are doing it
Yeah.
They dig it out, leave the mud there only, and they go away. Then we spend money to remove that mud.
remove the
This
mud
is correct, yeah? They just leave it. You tell, they don't come only.
oh okay
At night time, it is so much horrible sound. It looks as if somebody is falling there. Because the sound is too much.
so you can see mogal goinkarano kitle tras jata so we going to cover up some more areas some more houses out there asking them what is the problem and you guess who do we have I'm so Kashi El Moringa musician आम्ही सारखे without mask म्हणजे 2 मीटर I was just inquiring I just met your mother amazing so we're just inquiring about this road are we facing any problem or your house is clean and tidy because of this road
It's extremely clean and tidy. When you see the road like this, it's extremely clean and tidy. When I come here, it's a question how to get my car inside. And the car which is inside, how to get it outside.
wow are you all understanding people are you all understanding the logic and the scientific method of how the government is providing the facilities for such a elderly senior citizen the question arises they have created such a beautiful technology he's wondering how to get the car out and how to get the car in already there is their property they bought it but the government has created such a facilities in this beautiful area is that what you are trying to say absolutely and this is the optimistic way of how we are going Kashi I'll see you I'm going to go to the other house
Take care, Baba.
सो मेन गजाल तुमकां सांगपाक गेले गोंयकारांनो कितें आसता मेन गजाल म्हणटा तो आसता तो PWD कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर जेन्ना PWD कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर घेता समज म्हूण तूं आतां एक 10 लाखांक कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट घेता सो 10 लाखाचे पयलेच पूण तूं मिनिस्टर ते 5% नाल्यार 3% आपल्या बॉन्सान घाल म्हणटा आणि इंजिनियराचे सेटिंग लायता पळय हा सी दिस ब्युटिफूल आर्ट वर्क ते इंजिनियराचे सेटिंग लायता आणि इंजिनियर मागीर त्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराक तो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर पळय हा ताका पयले सुवातेर 20% ऑफ द ओरिजिनल प्राइस 20% ताका ते डिडक्शन करून तो टेंडर पास करून घेवचो आसता आणि मागीर तो पळय मिनिस्टर पळय हा तो मिनिस्टर ते इंजिनियराक सांगता तो कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट पास करून घ्या म्हणून कितें टेंडर पास करून घ्या म्हणटा सी दिस इंटलेक्च्युअल वे विच इज द करप्शन इज गोइंग ऑन एंटायर गोवा आणि ते मागीर पास जाल्या उपरांत ते मागीर नाल्यार 2 to 3% हे एजी जेई ते ब्युरोक्रेट आसता बिलां पास करूंक जाय म्हणून तांकां दिवचे पडटा अरे उरले कितले उरले तेजे कडेन 5 ते 6 लाख ते 6 लाखांतले 2 लाख मागीर तो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर हा पळय PWD आपल्या बोल्सान घालता ते 3 लाख पळय उरता ते 3 लाखांत रस्तो करून पावतले हो पळय बाउन्स बँकिंग बाउन्स पळय कितें बाउन्सिंग पळय रस्तो पळय सारकें दिसता तुमकां मुनार चल्लें आशिल्लें तुमी मुनार वयता गाडये पळयला मरे व्हिडिओ तो ताका पळय 6 जाल्या हांव नको कितले झूम करूंक शकता तूं कितें पळय बायलाचेर ओ बाय पळय ती जाणटी बायल हा दिस इज द कर्स पळोवंक शकता मोगाल गोंयकारांनो हिंगा जाणटी लोक हा इन समर सीजन ऑल द डस्ट इज गोइंग टू द हाउसेस टू द किचन their bedroom their dining room their clothes are getting dirty who is responsible वाव रे मिनिस्टर बाबानो कितें म्हणून तुम्ही करून दवरला हॅलो सर स्टार्ट
Government also taking vehicle
the government is there rostachere this we come to know and for past 2 years jo bare guru patro you can imagine people we are staying all at nice houses inside but there are people suffering on whose cost and as I told you on how the tender is passed how the contract has been given and how they do the work in undercutting in all this corruption the system is corrupt
अरे 2 वर्ष झाले आम्ही एक काम करतोय घर काय दिसतात हे वड्या मारल्या ते जा पडलं बिदर
तू पडलोय ना
तुला वर
You focus here only. हा
पडलं सगळं आम्ही कितले लोक पडतात
कितले जा
आम्ही ते पंचायतीत सगळ्यात जाऊन पहिले कोण नाही ते कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर म्हणतात ना आम्ही पुरयतले केन्ना पुरयतले हे झाली किती वर्ष आता
ना या कधी होण्यात
हय 2 वर्ष आणि ते धरलो आणि 2 वर्ष खाता
दुर्लो खाता या
आणि किती ना आयदाना आम्ही सुटी गेलेली आता सांगा पहिला सुटी दटी झाली थँक्यू
आणि बाबा सीट झाली आम्ही वर
बाहेर माझी बोन
बघली आम्ही सीट जातात मग बघा डॉक्टर आयसीन वयचे पडटा बाबा
वय
हे करून सदांच सीट अहे जाता तुम्ही तरी आपले हे सगळे करून मातशे घ्या बाबा
देव बरें करू तुमच्या आशीर्वादात
आणि तुमचे देव बरें करून
थँक्यू
आणि कितें आणि आम्ही शिकतालीच पायपान शिकताली स्वतः शिकता
आणि किती हालत तुमची एव्हरी डे
आणि डॉक्टर 15 दिसांनी डॉक्टर वयता
15 दिवस
15 दिसांनी हे आता दुर्लो भितर वयता न्हू आणि मागीर त्रास जाता म्हाका कशें जाता आणि वचनाडे धुमवाच डॉक्टर आशिल्ली
वय
हय इतले त्रास जाता बाबा
बरें देव बरें करू
तरी करा हे सगळे आणि जाग्यार घाला बरें बाबा थँक्यू
सो मोगाल गोंयकारांनो तुम्ही पळयलें हे जाणट्याचे आशीर्वाद घेवंक जाय आमचे भुमीर on our motherland on our land of the gods we say Goa we need to take the blessing from the old people but not the curses and this is exactly what is happening for 2 years. For 2 years I've been seeing this road because I live in Asagaon and all the ministers stays here only and they have to take this road. But can't you all see the suffering of the citizen? And not for 1 or 2 days, for 2 years you all make 2 वर्सां तुम्ही ह्या लोकांक आख्या लोकांक ह्या आख्या लोक पळयता तुम्ही ही आख्खो लोक सफर जाता धुल्लो चिकोल ऍक्सिडंट रस्तो फक्त कितें पयशाच्या नांवान कुड्डे ग्रीड घेवन तुमकां फोंडान वयतली आनी हीच ग्रीड कोणे क्रिएट केल्या आमी लोकांनी आमी सो दिस इज द टाइम दॅट वी हॅव टू रियलायज ऑल द पीपल what do we do who do we elect who is the representative it's very important this point of time Are they corrupt politicians who is only focused on their greed and their money? Yobare Guru, this is Feligom Seol all the way from Asagam, and right now I am in Seolim. And this is the beautiful creativity work has been done by the government. Thank you.